Hi, welcome to threesixty.tours. I'm Hadi. Today we're going to be doing the second part of the video on creating a tour. These are some advanced features. So please go ahead and watch the first video. You're going to see a simple version of what we created in the first video on tours. This is more of an advanced version. So if you haven't watched the first video, please go ahead and watch it, or else you're not going to understand much of this video. And I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful tour like this one that you're seeing here with some advanced versions of it. So first thing we got to do is log into your dashboard. The tours, the panoramas, and the photo section here. And if you remember from the first video, to create a panorama, you clicked on new, you uploaded your panoramas, and then you clicked on new for your tours. In this video, we're going to create by batch. What that means is instead of adding, 5-6 panoramas individually, we're going to add them by batch. So you click on batch, and over here, we're going to grab, all the panoramas that you want. We want this one and that one, and we're just going to open. You want to make sure that you have this checkbox chosen. What that does is it auto create a tour with these 7 panoramas for you instead of going in and creating the tours yourself or the tour yourself. So here I've clicked on upload, and I'm going to wait for the 7 files to upload. So this should take around a minute to upload. Perfect. So the panoramas are uploaded, and here I can close this. And as you can see, all of these panoramas now are uploaded here. So these are the 7 panoramas I've uploaded, and this is the new tour. Let's go check it out. You click on the pencil icon, and this is the tour. So the tour starts off with the pool. I click on tour settings. I don't like the name, so I want to rename the tour, and I would say, new luxury house tour. And I go down here, and these are all the panoramas that are here. Let's save the tour. And I also want to change the names of all the panoramas. So, this one's, I click on panorama settings, and I want to say this is the pool area, and save. And once you do that, you go into the tour settings, and you can see here that now it's called pool area. So you want to do this to all of the panoramas here. That way it's easier to navigate and easier to add your tour content. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done that on another tour, on a similar tour, which is this one here. Let's go into it. So as you can see, I've uploaded all these tours. I've renamed them all. So this tour starts off with the kitchen. It always starts off with the first panorama here. Let me open the tray. I don't want to start off with the kitchen tour. I want to start off with the front entrance. So I'm going to grab this and drag it up. And that will make as you can see here, the front entrance is now the starting point of the tour. So let's go into the living room. I click on the pencil icon, and now we're in the living room. And here I'm in the living room. I want to start adding the tour content. I want to start adding the places. So this is the kitchen. I right click, and I click on the pencil icon for the marker. I put tour content, and I say kitchen. I save the marker, and now this is the kitchen here. So you want to be orient yourself with the house. I know this is the master bedroom here, and these are the bedrooms, and then this is the front gate, and this is the pool. So you want to orient yourself with the house, because then it makes it easier to just add the tour content quickly. So I right clicked here, I click on the pencil icon, I click on tour content, and I know that this is the pool area. I save it, and now I have the pool area here. I'm going to do the same for the bedroom, tour content, and I'm going to say bedroom and save. And let's do one more for the gate. I know the gate is here. And the front entrance, sorry. So I want to put it a bit here so you can move this around. Save marker. So let's go into the pool, and from there on, so we have all of these markers set up now. I'm not going to do all of them here just to keep the video short. So now let's go into the pool area. Here I know that this is the master bedroom. I right click the pencil icon, and I say master bedroom, save marker. This is the living room, and I know that this is the entrance. I right click, tour content, front entrance. Okay, so I have all my tour content set up here. I position them properly. And let's go into the front entrance. I click on this icon here. And now we're at the front entrance. So here what I want to do is put back the pools. Basically, you're showing people how to their way around the house. So you want to make sure you connect the whole house. It can be a bit tedious at times depending on the size of your tour. So I know this is the living room and I saved it. Right, so what we put over here is that, somebody's gonna come in, they're gonna start with the front entrance. This is, where they start. And it's nice and beautiful. But now maybe I wanna add like an intro video, right? So I want them to come in and just, have an intro video before they start the tour. So I right click and I click on the pencil icon, and I can do this in two ways. The first way is to add an external link, and I say here my intro video, and I can add the external link here, youtube.com/myvideo, or whatever the link is, right? And then you choose any one of these icons that you want. So since it's a video, we can do this. So I'm going to go into depth on the markers in another video, also custom markers in another video. For now, you can put this one. The color is red, and we say save, and now you have a video here, and you can move it around. Except that when somebody comes in now, it's not so obvious that this is where they need to click, so I need to give it more attention. Like I need to call for attention more, so I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to give it some animation. Maybe make it flash, for like 2 seconds. I don't like the red, it doesn't blend in with the house. So I'm gonna give it like a light blue color so that it blends in a bit better, right? And maybe I'll make it a bit bigger so that, that's the first thing they see, it pops up. So now it's, it's flashy, it's big, maybe give it a little, I want it to bounce. That's, that's flashier, make it large instead of medium, So somebody comes in and now, that's what they see. And that's the first way to do it. They click on it and they can watch the video. The second way is to choose an iframe embed. And you would go ahead in your YouTube, on your YouTube video, and then, copy the iframe from YouTube, and I'll make another video to show how you do that. And you paste it here, and you save. And now when people click on it, a window will open up and they can watch your video. They don't have to go to an external link. So to me, I prefer to do that. You keep them on your tour, they come in, they watch the video, you intro the house, maybe a minute, 2 minutes, and then they can go ahead and start touring the house here, right? And they can go around the house. And there's a lot more you can do with the marker. I'll be sure to put some notes in the video, and that way you can see more videos on the marker. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want more videos like this one.